Hello guys, this is two chairs that I picked up on the street. Someone was tossing them. As you see, they really need a lot of work. But what I'm gonna do is I'm going to sand them and reupholster the padding. So right now they look terrible, but later you will see them when I finish sanding them and paint them. Okay, so let's start. So again, I'm gonna stain it this color using a wood finish stain, and it's a semi-transparent aged barrel color, so it looks gray. So we'll see how that comes out. I found a thick plastic because people are gonna come out from the pool and sit on these. So I found this to protect it. The sponge. This is a thick plastic, but when you're working on a budget, like I am, we have to do it this way. So, put this in just to protect the bag, the sponge from getting wet. When people come out from the pool, they're gonna sit on it and it won't get wet. So now I can cut it and staple it down. Okay? So I have to take off the other one, the fabric, and then now I'm gonna staple this down. This is the finished product of my sports chairs for the patio. Again, I'm not a professional upholsterer. I just did it on a budget that I have. And the chairs that were really ugly at the beginning, now they're all refreshed and they look brand new again. And that's gonna be at my sports bar by the pool. I hope you subscribe to my channel and put a thumbs up. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. See you on the next time.